Alright guys, so to wire this up, it comes with all the connections that you need. Right here we have our anti-flicker Canbus, so you can choose to use it or not, it's up to you. Once you have that connected, you're going to want to make sure you have power supply coming from your ACC for the DRL halos. And then typically what you'll do with the blinker or turn signal is you'll go ahead and tap into your stock harness. Alright, once you're all wired up, just go ahead and put the bezel back on and screw in your 4 screws. Alright guys, that's it. Once you're all done, just go ahead and grab your grill, pop it back on, and you're ready to go.